Hi, I'm Dr. Teresa Stovall, and I want to tell you about Cool for Ed. It's a great repository, and I'm using it to find a textbook for my English 100 class. So I clicked on Free and Open Textbooks, and I had to scroll down to Humanities, clicked on Humanities, and from there I had to um, select the appropriate discipline, English. And from there, I need to select the appropriate level, lower college division. All right. And I'm choosing tonight rhetoric and composition. And from there, I'm going to select a textbook that I find very interesting. It's 88 Open Essays, a reader for students of composition and rhetoric. And upon choosing that, I looked at the keywords and that information seemed really, really interesting to me. So I clicked Go to Materials so I could really investigate this um, resource. And I was pleasantly surprised. It has a lot of things in it that I could possibly use for my class. Um, let's see, waiting for my computer to stop doing its little thinking thing. Okay, here we go. So if I scroll too fast and it pops up, it moves. So we kind of have to wait. Oh, there it is. Okay. So right here, when you scroll, it gives you a table of contents and the danger of single story. I mean, just beautiful, beautiful pictures and beautiful essays that I think my students would enjoy reading. And I strongly, strongly encourage anyone who is looking to find um, a repository to find something. I think this is a great one for you, and I'm happy with it. So thank you so much. And this is my new textbook. I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.